CLCO Coco.
Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I'm going to be attempting to do a black smoky eye look on myself. I've never done it before and I think it's going to be fun. I won't be doing tutorials until I feel more comfortable in how my makeup looks and how I'm applying it, and I feel more just, like I know what I'm doing. That's when I'm going to start doing tutorials, but right now it's me just practicing and you guys being there. Yeah, so I'm going to attempt to do a black smoky eye. Stick around. My eyebrows have been looking completely different these days and I try to fix it, but I can't. I don't know how I used to do my eyebrows. We're going to move on. So to start off, I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Epic palette, and the color is going to be Cameroon, and I'm using that as a transition shade. Hopefully I'm using the real right transition shade. I'm going to be putting Cameroon above my crease area. I'm pretty sure that's the name, but you guys can see it. I'm going to start by patting it on. And once it's patted, with the same brush, just, take off some of the excess powder, but with the same brush, I'm going to be flapping it out so that it's not as harsh. Oh, maybe I am making this a tutorial. I've come to realize that, I gotta take my time. I used to always feel like this should be 2 seconds, but blending it out actually takes some time. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. The way I fluff out the shadow is by, doing like round circles pretty much, if that makes a difference. I want this color to show, so I'm going to be packing it on more until I feel like I can see it perfectly. I mean, you can see it here, but I want more. And then taking off the excess. Blending it out. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I'm gonna go back again into the Epic palette by Juvia's, and I'm gonna go into the color Bintu. Right now, ooh, that's pretty. Okay. I'm just tapping them on like I usually do at the beginning, and then I'm going to flap it out so that they all have they all transition together. It becomes like a dark purple once it mixes with the brown, and I'm not mad about that. Y'all, I was packing and blending for days, but I wanted a specific color and I really wanted it to be vibrant, so you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna go in a little bit back into Cameroon. It's just gonna be like one tap. I think that's the best I'm gonna do. Someone can probably do better than me, but that's it for me. I'm gonna go into, I'm actually gonna use the same brush. I shouldn't do that, but I do. It's okay. I'm gonna go into the Jeffree Star Alien palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Black Hole for the black part of the, yeah. Now, the Jeffree Star things are very pigmented, so. I'm gonna tap over here because I want it to be dark over here, but over here I don't mind it being this light because I'm gonna fluff it out anyways. Okay, I'm gonna go back into the Cameroon first, actually, from the Epic palette, just to bring that back. And then I'm gonna go into Bintu. think that's pretty good. I feel like what I was missing, no, I'm not missing anything. This is the best you guys are gonna get. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is good for me. The rest of my routine is the same. I'm gonna go into foundation first. I'm gonna stop there. Spray my face. Oh, it's cold water.
For blending out the foundation, a lot of people use like beauty blenders, but I don't like beauty blenders when I'm doing my foundation, so I usually use a brush. This is my favorite one. It's from AO Studio. It's actually a cheap brush, but it works so well. My Juvia's Place concealer doesn't pick up the concealer anymore because it's supposed to be done, but I use a little like spoolie concealer applicator thing to just take out the remaining concealers inside the tube. And you know how long it lasts me? It's gonna last me another like 2 months for sure. So there's a little hack for you guys to make sure that you really use all the product that you are buying. Whenever I want like a soft contour but it's still visible, I go into the Katsina Juvia's Place foundation stick.
And I really love adding contour because it feels like it's putting back some, I don't know, some darkness back into, I don't know, some melanin back into my face. Now I'm gonna blend out my eyebrows. I'm blending out my eyeshadow. I'm blending out my, I don't know what this is, concealer. I always feel like I'm doing this wrong because when I watch other YouTubers do their eyeshadows, it takes them like literally 20 minutes and I do mine in 10 minutes. So I feel like I should be taking my time, doing a little slower, and then maybe it'll become better. I'm actually gonna put lashes on right now. I usually don't do that, but what's different today? For mascara, again, I use the Goddess by Mana Curling Mascara. And while we're at it, I also brush my eyebrows with Oldish mascara. I usually do this because I feel like it makes it look more natural. Like, you know, I have hair, so that's what I usually do. That's why I do it. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this. I've been having bad luck with lashes these days. Oh my gosh, these are humongous. I have to cut it. These are way too big. For powder, I've changed up my powder game a little bit. I usually go into the Marcel face powder, but I'm actually now going into the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Deep 35. I like this a lot because it's my skin tone. Can you guys tell? And it makes me not oily. You can tell where the oil is and the powder is. I hate oil. I don't like being dewy, oily, whatever you guys want to call it. I love matte. Because this does feel very dark, very dark. I feel like my contour should show more, so I'm gonna actually go into the Sacha Buttercup, no, the Sacha Blush powder in the shade brown, I believe. Why am I guessing if I can just look at it? I was kind of right, in the shade matte brown. I'm gonna go into the Marcel powder. I kind of want to use that. For lining my lips, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Plush matte lipsticks in the shade PMS. And in the middle, I'm gonna be using the Revlon High Shine Natural Balance lip polish, Ultra HD, in the color Date Night. Oh, this is too pink for me. Okay. I'm gonna go into the Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color in the shade HD Forever 645. Yeah, that's better. No, this is too pink. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's pink everywhere. I want it darker. This is bothering me. I'm gonna go into the contour that I use, this Sasha Powder Blush Matte Brown, and I'm gonna use that. I'm feeling that. That's better. Oh my gosh. But I am gonna go again into, oh, I never tried this one. What is this one? Is this purple? Oh, I actually never tried this one, and I'm actually kind of liking it. This is the Hyper Matte from Revlon Hyper Matte Intense Ultra HD Lip Mousse, and it's in the color Death Valley. So it's this one. It's so pretty. Obviously, lip oil from Dollar Tree. That's almost done because I actually do love it. Yes. Oh shoot, I forgot about this. Before I forget, let me do the underside of my eye. I'm not feeling that cat eye. Maybe. Can't judge. I'm gonna spray my face before I put on some blush. For bronzer, I'm gonna go into, you know, the only bronzer I use and the only thing I like. It's the Fenty Beauty Mocha Money. I'm gonna go into Zoba from the Sahara Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'm gonna, it's like a pinkish highlight, put it in the middle, and then find where it naturally, you see this? This is where my thing naturally just highlights. So I'm gonna go over here. Obviously, spray the face again, and then we're done. So this is it, guys. I'm feeling it. Oh, my hair. Now this, guys, is the finishing look. Anyways, thank you guys for staying this long. If you did, this is my finishing look. My my dark sultry eye look. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, also share so I can get more subscribers, of course. Yay. I'll see you guys next time, next week. Obviously, I'll see you guys next time. Again, thank you for staying this long. Bye.